Hi, today we're going to share our chicken curry recipe. Firstly, the chicken is marinated with curd, Kashmiri chili, turmeric powder and salt. Marinated it for 30 minutes for the best flavor and texture. Blend the onions into fine paste. This is to add flavoring to the dish. Secondly, prepare paste of tomato, ginger, garlic, and green chili to be used as a basic condiments and also to impart the flavor. Heat the cooking oil in a heavy bottom pan. Add pinch of hing or asafoetida, this to aid digestion. Add cumin seeds. Add cinnamons, nutmeg and cloves to add flavor and aroma to the dish. Chopped onions are added into the pan with all the spices. Saute it till it turns brown. Add the aromatic curry leaves. Chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and salt are added in. And not forgetting chicken masala. Pour water into the mixture, bring to a boil. Pour in the onion paste. Give it a good mix. Then pour in the tomato, garlic, ginger, and chili paste. Mix it well. Cover it and let the mixture simmer. After 20 minutes, the mixture becomes thick and begins to smell good. Here is where the chicken is added into the curry. Here, as you can see, we added milk into the curry. This helped to thicken the curry sauce and balance the spiciness. Cover and cook on low flame for about 5 to 10 minutes so the chicken absorbs the flavors. Lastly, we check whether the chicken is done by prickling it with the fork. It must be soft and should fall off the bone. Easily taste the curry and add more salt if needed.